We are here at Lower SM and we can see here 2 truckloads of drum and lyre equipment. Ito, ina-unload na nila and then people are all gathered here, starting to gather. Dito kasi ang formation ng mga attendees for the Lions founding anniversary today here at Casa Vallejo. Ang starting point. So there goes the 2 coaches unloading, preparing this stuff. And here's Tahalia Rocks. Okay, medyo nagkakatipon-tipon na rito ang mga makikiparade, and we have here the Lukban Drum and Lyre. Silang first.